said, interest rates are creeping up. So now let's talk for a minute about what's happening April 1st with buyers and what the impact is going to be.
Well, I think what you're finding right now, even if the rates, let's call it at this point for conversation, just under 4 or near 4 today for a 30-year fixed rate, what that means in general is that if the rate even goes to 5%, which is still fantastic, the strain that it puts on the buyer's pocketbook, because that 1% increase equates to almost approximately 10% of purchase power. So it does have a little cause to effect both for the buyer as well as for the seller. Unless, again, economic indicators just keep on going, you'll have that kind of a steady as she goes type of pricing that we're finding at this point.
Exactly, and so practically speaking, you're looking at the difference of maybe $100, $150, sometimes even $200 a month, depending on what price range they're in, and that makes a big difference when a buyer is looking at the same house and saying to themselves, now this house in this price range will cost me X amount of dollars, because they're still looking at a monthly budget. If their budget is $1,500 a month, it's still $1,500 a month.
And the rates are one part of it, but a lot of the mortgages that we're seeing today are still positioned upon limited amount of money down, i.e. FHA type of loans, which are fantastic. But there's also a lot of changes that are going on in the FHA world as far as, again, upfront money that's more required for mortgage insurance. So it's not so much just the initial cost on principal and interest, but is also the closing cost that becomes sometimes a little bit of a larger increase in pricing as well.
Yeah, more closing costs and
more equity out, no matter how you want to slice
it. And the mortgage insurance premium is a little bit higher too. So that makes a difference. And I know that some banks are now on the conventional side are trying to move in there, and so we'll see what kind of programs come out. But that certainly has an impact. And now